welcome back to my channel. Make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button because who would want to miss one of these videos? So today I'm going to do some planting. Bear with me, it's a different spot in the house. We'll go to that. I just drilled holes, if you can see, 5, because this one was from the dollar store, and so it's cheap, but it doesn't have the holes that it needs. So we just did that. Now somehow, because it's now draining, I need something to hold the water that might spill out. Now I have these and I thought about drilling them on. So now I have 2 drilled holes. If you look closely, I have a screw there and a screw there. So now I'm gonna test it to see if it's gonna leak. So be right back. It didn't leak, so good. Now I'm gonna fill it with dirt and we're going to put the ivy in there. Like to be very wet, and I'm gonna set this aside. All done. I can hang it. It's got the strings already, and we're good to go. The ivy might grow up, and that might be pretty. As you can see, I have some seed packets, and eventually I'm gonna stick it in here. I need more soil though, but because they're seeds, I'm gonna start them in. Where'd that go? Right here. In these little pots. Again, I got this at the dollar store, so it's nothing fancy. It's just a starter pot. And these ones, I do not recommend putting neem oil in. Next, I think I am going to do a pepper, serrano chili. Last but not least, I think I am going to do the umbrella plant. And we are good to go. So that was me planting my plants for the springtime. And sorry, there's kids outside. Yeah, I will keep you guys updated, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.